Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collections of salwar materials. It's all going to be more a function wear or a party wear salwars. Very classy piece. It's not going to be very flashing ones, but very subtle and a beautiful salwars which you can wear it for some parties or for some functions. Very pretty collections we have in today's video. Before seeing the salwars, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the salwar, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Come on, let's start seeing the salwars now. Very beautiful grey color chanderi material with a lovely embroidery in the center panel, and on the sides also we have a beautiful embroidery. You can have a closer look of the embroidery. Beautiful pattern, lovely design, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and a very beautiful silk material shawl. It's more like a pashmina silk. It's a very beautiful one, and in that also we have embroideries. You could see the embroideries in the dupatta also, which makes the salwar look really grand. So this is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 1230. It's a beautiful green color chanderi material, a lovely design. You have a beautiful embroidery. It's all sequence work which has been completely stitched. Have a closer look of the design. Very beautiful work throughout the front part. We have the design, and we have small buttons in the front also, and the bottom is in contrast pink with a beautiful chiffon shawl for this, and the shawl is a printed shawl. A very beautiful design, and the price of this salwar is 1610. This is such a lovely material in peach color. It's a chanderi material, and we have embroidery throughout the salwar. You could see small stitches with sequence work throughout the body. Very pretty design, and the bottom is in contrast beige color with a lovely shawl, chiffon shawl with corners edged. Very beautiful one, lovely design, and the price of this salwar is 1900. A beautiful black color chanderi material, lovely design. In the center, a beautiful embroidery, and throughout the body also we have small sequence work, and with a monotone embroidery. You could see how beautiful the salwar looks. Very pretty salwar. Looks really class, and the bottom is in black. And a very lovely shawl, a grand shawl with a very beautiful design, lovely pattern, class, and the price of this salwar is 1900. A very beautiful peachish pink chanderi material with lovely embroideries throughout the salwar. We have the embroidery throughout the salwar in the front part. Looks really pretty and class. Light peachish pink, and the bottom is in contrast grey color, light grey. It's a cotton bottom, and the dupatta is the class part of this salwar with a lovely chanderi material. It's more like an organza material, and in that we have complete embroidery. You could see the embroidery in it. Very beautiful embroidery, and this is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 1330. This is a lovely salwar material. Again, the material is a chanderi. In the neckline we have a beautiful small border pattern with gotapatti work, and in the mid also we have a lovely buttons. You could see a closer look of it. A beautiful design, and the body is more a plain body, and the bottom is in contrast cotton silk material in green, and the dupatta is again a very lovely dupatta in organza material. You have embroidery. You can have a closer look of the dupatta also. It's a very beautiful work with a lovely border in the corners. Lovely design. So this is how it looks. These dupattas will make these kind of salwars look really grand. So this is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 1400. This is again a very pretty off-white color chanderi material. In the neck we have a collar neck pattern, and in the center also we have a lovely buttons, and throughout the body it's an embroidery with small sequence work. It's all completely a stitched one. The design is a stitched design. You had a closer look of it, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and the material is cotton silk material, and the dupatta is a very class pretty dupatta in silk material, digital printed dupatta. This is looks really class. When you wear it, it will be so awesome. This is how it looks. and the price of this salwar is 1370. It's a very beautiful cotton salwar material, very stylish design. We have a neck design with a gotapati work and buttons in the center, and throughout the body also we have small mirror works, and the bottom is in contrast light grey, and the dupatta is a very classy dupatta and kota material. The material is kota, and you have in the corners you have a border, very beautiful design, and the price of this salwar is 1610. A very beautiful dark grey chanderi material with a very beautiful embroidery throughout. In the neckline we have a buttons, and throughout the body you could see the embroidery. You can have a closer look of the embroidery. Very beautiful one, lovely pattern, and the bottom is in contrast maroon color with a very pretty shawl in maroon, and in that a completely weaved pattern in silver color design. So it's completely weaved. It's very pretty. Look, the salwar looks really class, and the price of this salwar is 1760. It's a very beautiful peacock blue color chanderi material. Such a lovely design with neck pattern, and you have buttons in the center, and throughout the sides, in the sides also we have embroidery with small sequence work. You can have a closer look of the work. It looks so class, so beautiful, so rich, and the bottom is in contrast beige color, and the dupatta is such a class dupatta, very pretty dupatta, and you have sequence work in the dupatta also. You can have a closer look. Actually the dupatta will look really class, very beautiful when you wear, and the price of this salwar is 1820. It's a beautiful chanderi material, a lovely design. You have a very beautiful embroidery work. You can have a closer look of it. Very beautiful design, lovely pattern. It's in off-white, and the bottom is in contrast pink color, and a very beautiful dupatta with silver color embroidery. Very pretty one, and the price of this salwar is 1760. It's a beautiful green color chanderi material with lovely embroidery. In the center we have a beautiful embroidery. On the sides also it's a completely embroidery pattern. Beautiful design, very lovely pattern, and the bottom is in cotton material in green, and the dupatta is a lovely Banarasi dupatta. Such a grand work. This looks really class, so grand the salwar looks. So this is how the salwar is. Very pretty salwar, and the price of this salwar is 1160. This is such a lovely color, a beautiful wine color shade. In that a complete embroidery with small sequence work. You can have a look in that. It's a cotton material, soft cotton material, and the bottom is in contrast beige color with a beautiful shawl in chanderi with embroidery in it. You can have a closer look. You have embroidery throughout the dupatta also. So this is how the salwar looks, a very class one, and the price of this salwar is 1400. This is again such a lovely chanderi material, a beautiful fawn color. In that the embroidery is in a monotone shade, in the same shade it is. You can have a closer look of the embroidery. Throughout the top we have the embroidery, such a pretty one, and the bottom is in same color in more of a light darker fawn color, and the class part of this salwar is the lovely meenakari work dupatta, Banarasi dupatta. So this is how it looks. It's really class and beautiful, and the price of this salwar is 1180. This is such a lovely material. It's a pure cotton material with lovely embroidery in the center. On the sides also we have embroidery. You can have a closer look of the embroidery. It's a very pretty piece. It's a beautiful more of a sea green color, and the bottom is in contrast green in cotton silk material, and the dupatta is a class piece, very contrasting one, a light lime green. In that we have zari lines, and on the corners also we have a beautiful work which has been done in the dupatta, which makes the dupatta very rich and grand. So this is how it looks, and the price of the salwar is 1580. Very beautiful pink color cotton salwar material. We have embroidery throughout the body, very beautiful design, lovely pattern, and in we have embroidery in the daman also in the bottom part, and it's a contrast light grey color bottom. That's also pure cotton, And the dupatta is a pure cotton dupatta with full embroidery in it. You could see the embroidery. We have full embroidery throughout the dupatta. The salwar will look really grand when you wear. And the price of this salwar is 1600. This is a very beautiful chanderi material again with a very, you have full embroidery throughout the salwar. You could see a closer look of the design. It's a very beautiful stitch. Throughout the salwar we have the design. And the bottom is in contrast maroon color. It's in cotton silk material. And the dupatta is a class dupatta for this. It's a Banarasi dupatta, chiffon Banarasi. So you have a complete design, very beautiful one. So this is how it looks. And the price of this salwar is 1370. It's a beautiful chanderi material in fawn color. It's a very beautiful embroidery on the center panel with buttons in the center. Very, very pretty salwar. You could see the embroidery, a closer look. It's a beautiful design. The material is more like a khadi silk material. And the bottom is in contrast maroon. It's a cotton bottom. And the clasp part of this salwar is a lovely grand Banarasi dupatta. Such a pretty Banarasi dupatta. So this is how the salwar looks. It's really pretty. And the price of this salwar is 1160. This is such a lovely chanderi material in wine color. Such a class and beautiful color. In the center, it's a neck pattern design. In the center, we have a beautiful cloth buttons with small works, and throughout the body also it's a completely embroidery with small chunky works, which is a stitched work. You can have a closer look. It's all completely stitched, so there's now no need of those things to fall out. And the bottom is in contrast beige color with a very class dupatta in beige with a very pretty sequence work and silver lines on the dupatta also. So this is how you have gotapatti work in the corners. It's a very class piece, and the price of this salwar is 1860. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.